Hello everyone, this is Jan, and you are watching a little daily indie game dev update for Monday, the 27th of April, 2026. Over the weekend, I've made some progress. If I can get Unreal to respond, escape right over here. That's a lot of collision. Pretty happy with it. It's not complete. I decided to just dump in as much collision as possible so that instead of doing a little bit of collision, playtesting, waiting for the playtest to fire up, it's seconds, but playtesting it, then going out, then back into where I was, moving it around, testing again. This constant back and forth is very time consuming, which means I only got this much done up until now, and I still have all of this to do. It's a lot of work. So Friday, we decided it'd be faster to just dump in a whole bunch, hit play, make a screen recording, and just do that geometry wars thing where you hug the side and for a special challenge. So I'm pretty sure this is okay. See, this is good. I like this physicality. I think there was none here. I'm gonna have to leave some off because, see, okay, this could be moved a little bit so that I can still get into the water, and I still want to be able to get into the water because I need to test it from the water, and I don't have the setup for jumping in to the water, diving everywhere like I do down below. Okay, here's one. That's good. That's good to know. And here, see? Okay, this is open. So as I spoke about on Friday, make a video doing this. Guesstimate how much I'm off, but just do a whole bunch in one go, and then make another video. I think that would be a much faster workflow. Meanwhile, it's Monday. We survived the weekend. I tend to work on the weekends now, which is okay. Except they gave me a split weekend, so off on Sunday and Wednesday rather than that. Dudes, that sucks. Okay, this is good here. Oh, but I did get some gaming in. I am hooked on Crimson Desert. Like, I am so hooked on that game. So awesome. It really is, for me, it's like a Breath of the Wild Zelda, but just 4K everything. It's just very funny. Overall, like, I just find it a very funny game. I do find it a bit odd that it's very fantasy and cutesy in some parts, bloody in others, and then it's just swearing like you're sitting in a British pub the next moment. Probably says a lot more about the voice actors. I don't know. Maybe they got to improvise, maybe not. But that game, I'll show a clip on top of this if you want. That game is, it's so big. It's like every now and again I'm just kind of bored, done doing missions or like trying to do whatever in the game, and it's like, okay, I'm just gonna go over there on the map, and it just takes forever to actually get there because the map is so freakishly huge, which is so much fun. It's just so much fun. I am multitasking games right now. I'm back on the Spider-Man because it's such an awesome game, but I just never finished it. You know, I just never got through it. So I'm kind of making it my thing to finish it. Okay, this is done. This is not. Oh, this is done. I'm going to put a link down below for Ox in case you love comic books and want to support indie comic book creators. He's working for years on his own comic book series called I Never Forgot. It's awesome. You should check it out. So I'm going to put the link down below because his final or near final episode is going to come out soon, but you can do it with a little bit of help. So that's going to be right down below. In the meantime, if you're new here, my name is Jan. I try and post these as often as I can, working every day on my little top-down adventure game in my spare time. So hit like, hit subscribe, and stay in touch. Let's stay updated. Catch you around.